Do you like horses? Many people do, and I am one of them. They are such magnificent creatures capable of great things. When I was growing up and through my teenage years, we had horses. My sister and I each had our own horse. We rode every day and went to horse shows on the weekend. Thankfully, the expression beat a dead horse has nothing to do with dead horses. Good thing, huh? But since some information about the expression does have to do with actual horses, I thought that would be a great way to start. Have you ever watched a horse race, either live or on TV? I've seen many horse races. What a fun and exciting sport. In fact, two of my favorite movies are about horse racing, and a friend's daughter is a jockey. The expression beat a dead horse may come from horse racing. Here's how. During a horse race, the jockey has something called a riding crop, which kind of looks like a stick. The jockey frequently uses the crop to hit or beat the horse to get it to run faster. P.S. There are rules that govern where and how the jockey can use the crop, so they are not really beating the horse. Despite what you think of this practice, the purpose of beating the horse is to get it to go faster. While beating a live horse may have a purpose, I'm sure you can see that there just wouldn't be any reason to beat a dead horse because it's not going anywhere. Similar to beating an actual dead horse doesn't make anything happen is the meaning of the expression beat a dead horse, which means several similar things. To waste time or effort on something you know is not going to happen or doesn't have a chance of succeeding. To continue talking about something that has already been discussed or decided. To keep focusing on an issue or topic that is no longer important or relevant. Are you ready for some examples of how beat a dead horse could be used in sentences and real-life examples? Here's our first example. I'm sorry to beat a dead horse, but I still don't understand what you did. A second example would be, we already know this information. You don't need to beat a dead horse. Finally, here's a third example. Our trip is on hold, so stop beating a dead horse and asking me about it. The word flogging is another word for beating, and the phrase flogging a dead horse means the same as the expression beating a dead horse. However, you won't often hear the word flogging used in the US. I should mention that there's some words or phrases which mean the same as beat a dead horse, such as repeat, continue, dwell on, and go on about. So why would you use the expression beat a dead horse instead of one of these other words or phrases? Well, when you use the expression beat a dead horse, you show you know and understand common English expressions. You sound more sophisticated in your use of everyday English, and you can express yourself better. Now that I've explained the expression beat a dead horse, how well do you understand the expression? It's quiz time. Which sentence uses beat a dead horse as an expression correctly? Number one, we've moved on from that issue. Don't beat a dead horse. Number two, why would anyone beat a dead horse? There is no reason to do that. If you need more time to think of the correct answer, pause the video now and go on when you're ready, because the answer is revealed in the next slide. Are you ready? The correct answer is number one. Did you get the right answer? I hope so. Here's an explanation of the answer. The second sentence uses beat a dead horse in reference to an actual dead horse. The first sentence uses beat a dead horse as the expression I've explained. Moving on from talking about something that has previously been discussed. In your lifetime, I hope you never have the interest or opportunity to beat an actual dead horse. However, I hope you can use the expression I've just described, beat a dead horse. How would you use this expression? Is there a time you answered the same question many times or repeated yourself multiple times? Those sound like the right situations for using beat a dead horse. Leave your example of beat a dead horse in the comments section below. We want to know how you would use this expression. Here's my example. I was sad my friend decided not to come on the trip, but there was no point in beating a dead horse because I knew she wouldn't change her mind. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Learn English naturally and speak it with confidence. Thank you for watching.